Viewers at home, morning to some of you and evening to some of you based on your location. Thank you for watching my video, and now at least in one of my videos I was able to have 800 views. Wow, imagine, that means you guys are really interested and you love what I'm doing. Today I just want to share an experience in the course of me meeting people, telling them about my channel. I was opportune to meet one lovely couple, and I asked her to follow my channel. But to my greatest surprise, she challenged me that how sure is she that I actually know the mathematics. Then she said the only way that will make her to subscribe is by giving me questions to solve. I met her during the process of INEC, that of this just concluded assembly election. Then she gave me 3 good questions that if I'm able to solve, that means she's going to subscribe. Then I solved the question. She was so surprised and happy. Then she subscribed. But one thing is, she gave me a question that I saw that I need to let you guys know, because the question was very it was not, I won't say simple, it was technical and dealing with what I call quantitative reasoning, like more a logical question. So therefore today I'm going to take us to the topic quantitative reasoning. Then I'm going to give you the question. When it comes to quantitative reasoning, you can either deal with some operation, sometimes you deal with addition, sometimes you deal with subtraction, sometimes you deal with multiplication, and whatever, you have to check different processes to get your quantitative reasoning and all. But now this is more of, you have to reason, and at the same time you have to look for the logic. Now let's go to the question. This is the question. She gave me 7 different circles, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here is the question, that the circle above are fixed with 7 consecutive numbers. When you talk about consecutive, we are talking about numbers that follow one another. And we are told that from 1, that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are the 7 numbers we are given. And by what? Schedule and joined with lines. We are now asked to find how many 3 digits formation of line of the same summation. When you talk about summation, that is when you add those 3 digits together, that their final answer will be the same, of the same formation, can be formed if only a number can be repeated in all the formation. So solution. We have to first write all the numbers we are given, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the 7 consecutive numbers, that is, they follow one another. Once you write them down, then you have to look at it. How can you deal with it? We are dealing with summation this time around. Check 1 plus 2. If you look at 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will give you 6. If you go and check this, once you check all their summation, you notice that 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6. Because there must be no repetition, if you still put, I'm starting with, let's say we are imagining checking that 2 is at the center. So that means I have to check another number which is going to be like 4. There must be no repetition according to them. 4 plus 2 plus, after 3, that means I have to, if I have 4, then I have 5. And if you check this one, this is 9, this is 11. You can see that we are not having the same formation, which is telling me that 2 at the middle cannot work, because we've checked, it's not giving us the same summation. We go to the next one. Let's imagine we put 3 at the middle. That means I will have something like 1 plus 3 plus, that's combined, because we have to combine 3 digits number. So we have 1 plus 3 plus, let me say 4. That means still having 3 at the middle, we have 1 plus 3. I can't use 1 again. That will be 2 plus 3 plus, let's say 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4, that will give you 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus, that's what? 10. This is not giving us same formation as well. So, i.e. 3 at the middle cannot work. Well, to cut the long story short, by the time you check it for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6, for, do you now notice that the last number, the last digit, which is your biggest number, the biggest number we have here is what? 7. That's the number you, anytime you are giving something like this, and they ask you to arrange so that you have equal formation, it's the last number, which is the biggest number that you make to be at your center. So let's imagine you now have 1 plus 7. Then you take the next bigger number. Once you take your smallest number, you put your biggest number in the middle. Then we have the next, which is going to be what? 6. Now the sequence is, as this one is increasing, this one will be reducing. So let's see. I will go to 2. I will have plus, I will have 7 plus, then this one will reduce. You know, this is from 1 to 2. This one will move from 6 to 5. Likewise, I will go to another one, and this one will go to what? 3, because I'm here to represent all my digits. You are to represent 1 to 7. I have 3 plus, I still have my 7 in the middle, then this will reduce to 4. Now, at this stage, I will say I should go to 4, but I already have 4 here. That means my complete combinations that I have is 1, 7, 6, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7, 4. So let's put it there. We have 7. Then I have 1. Then here I have 4 here. That is 1, 7, 4. Then I have 2 here. I have 3 here. Then you have 6 here and you have 5 here. Now combining with your line, let's see how to join and have a straight line. You see this line will join this, it will join this. That's the first line. You have another one, this line will join this and join this. That's the second line. And you have this line will join this line will join this. And mind you, this will, if you check 7 plus 1, that's 8 plus this, that will give you 14. If you check this one too, it will go up 14. If you check this one, it will go up 14. For the first question, they said of the same formation. So the ones that are giving us same formation, you can see is going to be what? 1, 7. So they are 3 in number. So that means the answer to that, our A, the answer is what? Is 3. There are other combination of line that you can get. Like now, if I combine this like this, I will have a straight line. If I combine this like this, I will have a straight line. But that will now take us to the second question, the B part. The B part, which says how many 3-digit formation of line or of not necessarily equal summation. That is, some might be 14, some might not be equal to what? 14. Then can be formed if only a digit is also what? Allowed. That is, at this center is still a digit that is allowed to be combined in any of the stuff, but not necessarily that digit will show in all the combinations. So that means here I can still have another line. I can still have this line. This, I still have, that's another straight line. Can you see? I can still have this one as well. Do you understand? If I say I should join this to this, then I don't have combination of 3. It's just going to be a combination of 2. And you are trying to follow the question that we should have 3-digit combination. So if you combine this one, it cannot work. So totally for question B, the total number of lines that you have first line, you have second line, you have third, fourth, and you have fifth. So the answer for the B part will be 5. So quickly, I would like us to go to the next question. So this is, let's call this one question 1, and my question 2, which I'm going to write. The third question will be the one to solve it. But question 2, we've done that of 7 numbers. Let's now imagine we want to do that of. So we have question 2 is also similar to this question. So like I said, I'm going to give you a question on 2, so that will be similar, so as we to get the concept very well. So we have, instead of having 7, we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And still the same question. The circle above are fixed with 9 consecutive numbers from 1 by Joshua, but his name has been changed now, and joined with lines. Find how many 3-digit formation of line of the same summation can be formed if only a number can be repeated in all the formation. Then B, how many 3-digit formation of line not necessarily equal in summation can be formed if only a digit is allowed to be shown in as many combinations as possible. Then the other time I told you that what you want to do, instead of wasting your time, what you do is you pick your smallest number and your biggest number. Here our smallest number is 1 and our biggest number is 9. The biggest number will be in the middle. So I will have 1 here, then I will have plus 9, then the next big number, which is what? 8. So I will have it there. Then as this one is increasing, this will be increasing. And don't forget the middle number remains the same, which is our 9. So that means you have 2, no repetition, plus 9. Only one number should be repeated, and we are repeating 9 all through. That's plus 7. Then you have 3 plus, you have 9 plus 6. You have 4 plus 9 plus 5. Then if you look at this, you see that you are having 4, and after 4 you are going to have 5. So you already have it here. So that means for our question A, which is the first question they asked, the answer you have there is 4. Let's see when we combine that. Let's combine with 9. So let's put the numbers. We have 9, we have 1, this will be 2. We have 8, we have 7, and we have what? 6. So 1, sorry, do you have 196? No, this is, no, this is 1, 9, and if you look at this is 9, this will give us 18. This is also equals to 18. If you look at this, it's also equals to 18. This is also equals to 18. So 1, 9, and that my 8 is going to be here. Sorry. Then you have your 2. That means 2, and you have your 7. 2, 9, 7. Then we have 3, 9, and 6. So that means the other number that you have will be here. You have it up here. That will give you your 4 and your what? Your 5. So you have to 4, 9, 5. So the combination will be like this: the 9 of equal formation. You have this, and you have this. So the lines will be, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, and you have 4. That will be for the first question. But for the second question, B, which they told you that of how many 3 digits can be formed, of not necessary to be same summation. That means some might give you another number, like another summation. It might not be up to 18, it might be up to 18. So if you look at that case, then I can join this one because it's still 3 digits. I can join it that way. I can join this one to this one. It's still 3 digits, 3 numbers. I can join this one to this one. It's still 3 numbers. Then I can join this one to this one. It's still 3 numbers. So let's count how many we have all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, we have 6, 7, and you have what? 8. So here you'll be having 8 lines. This one is 4 lines. That is how many 3 digits formation. So or you just put it as 4 and this will be what? 8. We have how many 3 digits formation. So you have 8 3 digits, this one will be 4 digits formation. So that's how to solve any question that is dealing with something like this. So I'm going to give you an assignment or classwork. Attempt this. So we have this, and this. So I'm giving you for 5 circles. 5 circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to answer the 2 questions. How many 3 digits formation of line can be formed? And you show me how to connect. You can attempt it at home. Then let me know how many 3 digits of not necessarily the same formation can be combined with these 5 circles. Alright, viewers at home, that will be the end of our lecture for today. If you have any question, you can always ask on the comment section. And don't forget, if you've not subscribed, subscribe. And make sure you on your notification after your subscription. Like, comment the answer, like I said, then make sure you share to your friends. Like I always said, all students are what? Brilliant, and they are wonderful if only they are taught the right way to follow. Until the next video, I say bye.